case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a legal dispute that reached the highest court in the state, Mrs. Fishbein found herself unknowingly entangled in a mortgage crisis when her husband forged her signature on a loan application with Palm Beach Savings and Loan Association. As proceedings unfolded, the case examined the validity of equitable liens against a homestead property, even when the homeowner had played no role in the wrongdoing. Mr. Fishbein borrowed funds from Palm Beach Savings and Loan Association, using a property the couple owned in Palm Beach as collateral. However, when Mr. Fishbein defaulted on the mortgage, the bank moved to foreclose the property. Initially, the court ruled that the property, understood to be Mrs. Fishbein's homestead, could not be foreclosed by the bank. Nevertheless, it granted an equitable lien, covering the portion of the loan used to clear prior mortgages and unpaid taxes. This decision was contested by the bank lobbying for its right to enforce a lien under the doctrine of equitable subrogation, while Mrs. Fishbein argued the opposite, relying on specific exceptions in the Constitution's Article X, Section 4. Despite her innocence in the fraudulent act, the court ruled in the bank's favor, citing precedents such as Summar and Summar, which suggested that equitable liens can be imposed on homesteads when fairness calls for it. Meanwhile, Mrs. Fishbein was denied a $930,000 windfall, and the bank did lose claim to $270,000 not used for the homestead. The court characterized the homestead exemption as a protective shield rather than a destructive sword. In the final judgment, the appeals court partially quashed the previous ruling and sent it back for revision, reflecting the judgment of the trial court. This decision demonstrated the delicate balance between fairness, the rights of homeowners, and the obligations of lenders, even when culpability is unequally distributed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.